So, little introduction video. This is my first YouTube video. I'm Isabelle. I have an Instagram channel, whatever you call it, where I do lots of sewing and craft and put some DIYs on there. And I just thought they're so short, I might as well put them on YouTube so people can follow along and actually make them, you know, with step by step. So this channel is going to be lots of little crafts and DIYs that you can do at home with upcycling and reusing stuff. I've got about 30 video ideas sort of at the moment, so it's just getting those all done and then uploaded. So yeah, if you like that sort of stuff, then please follow along and I'll try and get them up every so often. So a bit about me: I am an illustrator and I'm a seamstress, and I've got 3 dogs. They're very cute. I've got 2 greyhounds, 1 spring spaniel. I like doing lots of sustainable stuff. I grow my own vegetables and fruit, which is I sometimes post about, and yeah, and lots of making. I have, I'd say, about 85% me made wardrobe at the moment, so yeah, that's about it. I thought, now that it's all, the sun is shining and everyone's sort of getting their sojo back, I would post some of the fabrics I've got at the moment, because I've got a bit of a stash going on from where I don't sew over winter really. So I thought I'd post them. Thought I'd show you which ones I've got. I will try and remember where I all got them from, but you may have to just seek them out. But first of all, I've got this one, which is a viscose crepe, I think. It's from Rainbow Fabrics. I'm planning on making like my own version of a Rixo dress. It's going to be paired with this fabric, which is obviously really nicely folded. It's from Rainbow Fabrics as well. It's this pink and orange zebra print viscose. What else have I got? So I've got this, I think it's a cotton, but it's got a very satin feel to it. It's from Ditto Fabrics in Brighton, which I hugely recommend if people haven't gone in there yet. I've got many fabrics that's going to be in this video from there. I don't know what this print is called. I'm going to call it Riviera. It has that very much feel to it. It's got its little lemon trees. Not sure what I'm going to make with that yet, but I feel like it's a very summery fabric. And then from Fabric Godmother, I've got this Dutch town bike looking fabric, which is really cute. It's got its little bikes with its panniers on. It's a cotton. I'm not sure what I'm going to make with it yet, but something. And then from the Boutique Haberdashery in Portsmouth, I've got this stone coloured, it's more like a little splodge print rather than a polka dot, but it's like stone with black splodges. It's a cotton jersey. Yeah. And then from Ditto Fabrics as well, I think. This is about 2 years ago though, so I presume they don't sell it anymore. It's got little geese on it, I think. It's a cotton. Not sure what I'm going to make with it, but... And then from Fabricland, I've got this neutral coloured stone linen with black polka dots, which is really cool. I think I'm going to make a play suit. I'm not a massive neutrals colour palette person, but in the summer I feel like you need the airy linen and beigeier colours. But on the topic of colours and talking about how I'm not really a neutral person, here is a bright and colourful fruit salad print. I got this one from Rainbow Fabrics, which is, so it's a dead stock, one of their dead stock fabrics, but I know that Hey So Sister also sells it. You've got lots of different fruit on this minty paley green background. It's this cotton. It's quite heavy, I'd say, as cottons go, but yeah, I don't know what I'm going to make with that though yet. Also from Rainbow Fabrics, I've got this denim twill drill. Not sure what the difference is between those. It's this blue, pale blue and pale brown ditzy floral, which is really cool. Either going to make a pair of trousers or some dungarees out of that. Not 100% sure yet. And then I've got both of these viscoses from Rainbow Fabrics. So first of all, I've got this one, which is like, not sure. It's it's got like a woven in jacquardy print into it. It's another orange, it's got like a floral texture to it. It's going to be another Friday Pattern Company saguaro set, for my sister though, not for me. And then also for my sister, she's got this fabric which she needs me to make another summery set for. It's from Rainbow Fabrics as well. It's one of their, and it's another dead stock fabric. And then from Fabricland, I've got these two cottons. This one's just a plain white cotton, and this one's a cotton dobby. They're going to go together because this one's quite transparent, so I don't scare the neighbours, I will line it. Then I've got this also from Fabricland. It's just a massive zebra print viscose. I've got like 4 meters of it, but I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to make with it. Then also from Rainbow Fabrics, I've got this twill drill fabric. It's for my mum. It's got massive sunflowers on a greeny background. It's really heavy. I think she wants trousers and a matching bucket hat out of that. And then I got this from Rainbow Fabrics as well. It's another one of their dead stock spring and summer drops. I think it's like a floral, but they're very, you know, abstracty floral print. Yeah, it's a little drill. I'm gonna make a jumpsuit out of that. And then I've got this from John Lewis. I'm not sure who it's by. It looks a bit like William Morris print or like a Sanderson print, but I don't think it is, but it's really cute. I'm gonna make like a little quilted gilet out of that. And then also from Ditto Fabrics, I've got this dog printed viscose. It's got lots of drape to it. It's really nice. I'm not sure what I'm going to make with it because it's quite pale and I think it might wash me out a bit. But if anyone has any ideas, please leave a comment. But yeah, it's really cute. It's covered in loads and loads of dogs. And as you can see, I folded it really nicely. And then from Fabric Godmother, I've got this embroidered tulle mesh sort of thing. There was loads up on her website a while ago. This was just one covered in bumblebees. It's really sweet. Not sure what I'm going to make with that. Then also from Ditto Fabrics, I've got this olive green linen, and from Fabricland, I've got this natural canvas to make some Merchant and Mills Harleen dungarees. As I did want to make it out of denim, but I've seen loads of people have made it out of canvas and that's worked really well, so I thought I'd get some of this, but this is so sturdy, so I feel like it needs to go through the wash like 100 times so it doesn't break my machine, but that is what that's going to be. And then I've got this, which is also from Fabricland, not a spring summer make, but I always miss the time frame to make like a winter coat. So I feel like you should probably start that in like September. So I've got this, it's a bright colour and it's like a buccal fabric. It's got those little textured bumps to it. Yeah, so that was from Fabricland. And then I've got this organic cotton black jersey. Can't remember where I got this from, but it's going to be a True Bias Nico dress. And then this is off eBay. It's just a salmon pink needle cord. It's going to be a quilted gilet, like one of those vest ones. It's going to be exactly the same as an And Other Stories one that I've seen about everywhere, so I'm going to remake that in this colour. I actually did expect this to be a bit more pinky, but I think it will work, it'll be fine. And then another corduroy, I've got this pink needle cord from Ditto Fabrics, which is really sweet. That was like the end of their roll, so I don't even know how much is there. But also from Ditto Fabrics, I've got this olive green, just plain cotton, which I think is going to be quite fun. And when I went to London in the summer last year, I picked up some of these little scraps. I think they're over 1 meter each, but I'm not entirely sure. I've got this one. I'm not one of those Liberty people that knows all the different print names, but I wish I did. But these are really cool. They're going to be part of either a quilted jacket or something quilted, I feel like, or a lot of pretty lining on something. But there's not enough there to make you know, whole garment really. And then in Brighton there's a new fabric shop. I think it's called Cloth something, but I'm not sure. But anyway, she has like some that have been sitting around for a bit longer than she wanted, I think, and she sells them for like £1.99 a metre. And I got this. It's like a black crinkle cotton, but it's got like a burnout polka dot on, which is really cool. I've got like 3 meters of that, so I'll probably make a dress of some sort. And then I've got, this was also just off eBay, someone was selling it, but it's just a remnant of some zebra cotton jersey, I think. And then last couple, I've got this ladybird cotton from Fabricland, and this mint green seafoamy jersey also from Fabricland. And that's basically all of my fabrics. I've got a few more, but they're really scrunched up at the bottom. But lastly is this one, also from Fabricland. It was going to be some pyjamas. It's like, it's either a satin or a silk, I'm not sure, but it's really, really fun. But I'm very nervous to sew it. I feel like my sewing machine's just going to chew it up. But, so yes, that is all my fabric at the moment. And yeah, I hope you have lots of sewing plans yourself, and I hope any of these fabrics have inspired you to get some more fabrics. I've seen so many at the moment that I really, really like. What ones do I like at the moment? Fabric Godmother, she has so many really nice fabric prints at the moment, and I missed Rainbow Fabrics drop yesterday, but I'm going to be on it for their next one. So yeah, I hope that this inspires you to get creative, and stick around for my next videos because I've got many planned, and hopefully they help you to create something cool.